I never hesitate to levitate to a higher level and let my thoughts meditate. Drop bombs that detonate. Let me demonstrate. I'm so hungry every time I rhyme is for the dinner plate. Yo, me and my man ran through the whole interstate. You want a battle, we can rhyme till you hyperventilate. That's when I'm just getting started with the flow. Somebody should've let you know you're messing with a professional. So be advised who you step into, but don't be scared, come close and get a better view. Proceed with caution or that might be the end of you. Be sure to take steps in 10-second intervals. I share interviews at my interviews. Chicks be like, dude, I'm really into you. You know me, I stay cooler than Mo D. Fat like lips on Angelina Jolie. I got mad skills, now B's the non-factor. I get ill and I'll scratch a whole batch of rappers. Sweet like molasses, flow like easy passes. Move asses like you sat on a cactus. My freaky technique be giving women hot flashes. Bring the battle cause I got lyrics for all y'all bastards. You need to quit or sign up for rap classes. To reach the level of a real MC you need practice. I'm legendary status. Sounds of blackness symbolize the savage. Realign the planets, the most zaniest. Spontaneous, got more soul in my fist than your calcaneus. What?
No hesitation, we just speak what we feel. How we live, what we do, but our speech always real. No hesitation, we just move, we react, we reveal and expose fake MCs who rap. No hesitation, we just speak what we feel. How we live, what we do, but our speech always real. No hesitation, we just move, we react, we reveal and expose fake MCs who rap.
I never hesitate to illustrate, infiltrate, sniff your whack lines off the dinner plate for heaven's sake. Thick a monster, tougher than a Tonka, with 30 extra men by way of Contra. Stomp ya, call me Big Papa, I'm tighter than your locker. Focus them knockers, spittin' till in the rocker. My uniform proper, you bored than the opera. I'm sizzling in the street, mouth dripping with the lava. Hating me to erupting. Rough with your fellas, getting your ass like stuffing. Cause Thanksgiving nothing, I feast on rappers. Faster than 100-meter dashes, split-second crashes. Full contact in my practice. Actors, stick to the screen, you rip apart at the seam. My team, strictly mini golfing on the green. We dope with the spitting, open, got you on your lean. Nodding off a dream, cause we wasn't supposed to be shit. Now we got the vision over Obama, make you seasick. Your mainstream lifestyle can bleed by the ice pick. Drip through the cracks of a jungle to make a red brick. Get your reflection on a nightstick for thinking that you nice and then thick, you on that glass dick.
No hesitation, we just speak what we feel. How we live, what we do, but our speech always real. No hesitation, we just move, we react, we reveal and expose fake MCs who rap. No hesitation, we just speak what we feel. How we live, what we do, but our speech always real. No hesitation, we just